still alive, Bishop? Bravo! You are a good mouse for my cat. I like playing with you. There is a card in a safe behind you. It is the key card to the interrogation room. Mouse deserves a little piece of cheese. Do try to stay alive until 3 o'clock in the morning. If you make it, you'll get the key.
To survive in this hell until 3 a.m.? Fucking son of a bitch. Holy crap. Oh, great. He turned off the ventilation? I really need to find a way to reset the ventilation system at the control room. This sick bastard obviously wants me to suffer. I must hold on until 3 a.m. I need that key! Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Another one of my creations. Your luck surprises me. Okay, that's it. No more playing around. Toys went on a hunt. Turn around. Surprise! on, Bishop, and you played by the rules. I can't let you get away with the files. You know, this reminds me of Emma. I miss her. I made that bastard scream and cry, but it didn't make me calm. And then I realized that I must punish you for what you've done. It's a pity that my toys aren't good enough, though we might be able to increase the power a bit. Goodbye, Bishop. It was fun playing with you.
Looks like it is the key card for some door. Damn, the card isn't compatible with that door. Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Hello, Bishop.